Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tarot King. If you like the tarot readings, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Hello friends. India yesterday celebrated 74th Independence Day. So how will be this year, 75th year of independence for India from 15th August 2020 to 15th August 2021. This reading is for that. Now here economy, general public, political stability, stock market, foreign policy, India Pakistan relation, India China relation, India US relation, India Russia relation, and message from universe. So I'll start with economy. So economy will certainly looks like the kind of policy Modi government has in place. Looks like economy will certainly grow. Look at these. There are these four wands, and they have become a big castle in long run. So economy will certainly going to get boost, especially real estate sector will also get some kind of boost in coming months. uh, all in all, economy looks good, if not bad, good or average, that's what I will say. For general public, year will be 75th year of independence will be good. They will be happy, they will have money in their hands. Political stability, now till 31st December is okay, but after that some kind of political instabilities, political issues, problems we can see here in India. Then stock market till 31st December period is good. So those who are long term investors, they'll get good returns, but from 1st Jan to 15th August 2021 looks like some kind of compromises. Market may not be that market may not do that well. Then foreign policy, so till 31st December, India will feel some kind of restrictions, some kind of issues when it comes to foreign policy, but thereafter uh, things will fall in place. India will do well in their relation. They will reach out to other countries to develop good relations. Now India's relation with Pakistan looks like, if Pakistan will fire one bullet, India will fire 50 bullets. That's what this card suggests. It's not going to be good at all. India China relation looks like it will improve. Then why it will improve? Because of fear. China might fear India, that they will have to face embarrassment. So because of that, and also India is humiliating China again and again by taking very strict measures when it comes to boycotting China's companies, restricting Chinese companies in Indian economy. So looks like China will learn their lessons and will try to improve relations with India. When it comes to India US relations, yes, there will be some kind of problem. India US relations will not grow in coming year, but yes, India and Russia, they will have a close ties again in coming year. Now message from the universe is, India should concentrate on building business and economy, especially exports. That's what this card is indicating. to promote businesses, to promote exports, to promote entrepreneurs. That's what this message is. But again, there will be certain things which will break hearts of Indians in this coming year. Those might be some natural calamities, or some, because of some political instability, there might be lots of things happening. So again, some issues I can see, some natural calamities or something which will really heartbreaking for people in general. So hope you like this reading. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and keep giving me your ideas, suggestions, feedbacks for future videos. Thank you.